Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tableau for CRM reporting step by step clearly. To register with Tableau for CRM reporting, start by visiting the official Tableau website. Navigate to the sign up page by clicking on the Try Now button, usually located on the home page. Choose the appropriate product that matches your organization's needs. Select the option for a free trial if you are new to Tableau. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Agree to Tableau's terms and conditions by checking the corresponding box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from Tableau shortly after registration. Open the confirmation email and click the link provided to validate your account. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Tableau website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be guided through an introductory tutorial to familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the setup options and select CRM reporting from the available features. Connect your CRM system by following the prompts on the screen. Authenticate your CRM account by providing the necessary credentials. Once connected, select the data sets you wish to include in your reporting. Configure your data connections based on your reporting requirements. Save your settings to ensure all configurations are retained. Now, you can begin creating visualizations and reports within Tableau. Utilize the various tools and resources available to enhance your reporting capabilities. Regularly check for updates to maximize the use of new features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.